Within production, the management between interconnected organizations and departments such as purchasing, production facilities, logistics, marketing and materials, service providers is called supply chain management. The control of the flow of goods and services related to the purchase, production, storage, sales, and shipment of a product is ensured by supply chain management. The supply chain includes the data used in the evaluation of all processes and methods in determining the quality of raw materials from the entry of all kinds of purchases to be supplied for use in production to the company. RGMS, Purchasing Module, is the module where the purchasing process is managed. All inputs to be purchased are recorded with order entry. The order entry detail includes the quantity, delivery date, amount, and required quality characteristics of the raw material ordered. After the order entry is approved, an automatic email is sent to the supplier company via the system. The purchasing process starts with the approval of the contract by the company to be purchased. According to the type of incoming raw materials, the compliance of the relevant departments with the items in the contract is checked by scanning the barcodes or by selecting from the pool. They are entered into the system. This procedure, which aims to plan and systematize the intake of raw materials into the company, is controlled in order to carry out regulatory and developmental activities. The requests and suggestions of customers, people working within the procedure, and supplier opinions and suggestions are used as sources. Shipments can be made to customers or subcontractors with the shipment notification form. The shipment can also be received with address-based analysis. At the same time, the shipment can be matched with the customer order, and if it is equal to the desired quantity in the order item or more than the desired quantity, it can be closed. When each shipment is approved, the relevant units and/or the relevant customer can be notified by the system via email. The shipment process based on the customer order can also be done with mobile terminals. The shipment report can be reported based on many breakdowns, and the user can create as many extra reports as she wants in the BI area. RGMS can manage this process comprehensively with purchasing, sales, warehouse, inventory, and dispatch modules. Since all modules can communicate with each other, the products accepted or shipped from the warehouse are automatically recorded in the stock records. According to the order request, the purchasing unit can determine the needs and start the procurement process by analyzing the stock of the necessary materials and intermediate products.